A gourmet popcorn shop sells 42 different flavors of popcorn. Every morning, they package 9 bags of each flavor. What is the total number of popcorn bags they pack each morning? I don't know if it's close to lunchtime or I don't know if it's because it's talking about popcorn, but this is a very tasty sounding problem. Here's my question mark. And if I go backwards, here's my question word. What is the total number of popcorn bags they pack each morning? They want to know the total number of popcorn bags, and then they say each morning. What are those operations again? Each, every, per, equal amount, even amount. Those tell me to use what operation? Bradley? Multiplication and division. All right. Now I want to find all the information I can about popcorn bags. A gourmet popcorn shop sells 42 different flavors of popcorn. Well, what do you think goes into a popcorn bag? Kylie? What do you think goes into a popcorn bag? Popcorn. That's probably why they named it that. So I need to know about the popcorn they make. They make 42 different flavors of popcorn. Every morning, oh look, every is another word like each and per and equal amount and even amount. They're telling me again, multiply or divide. Every morning they package 9 bags of each flavor. So there's 9 of those popcorn bags, and look what they used again. Each. They're really telling me you're either multiplying or dividing. There's no way around it. Okay. So I know that every morning they start to put these different popcorn flavors into bags. So they make 9 bags of one flavor. Does the popcorn shop only sell one flavor of popcorn? Oh, I see you shaking your head. How many flavors do they sell, Noah? 42. So they're going to make more bags and more bags and more bags. They're going to make 42 different flavors of bags. So Noah, if they keep on packing up all of this popcorn, are they going to end up with more bags or with less bags? They're going to end up with more bags. So multiplication is the operation I want to use. 42 times 9. 9 times 2. What is 9 times 2? Kylie, what's 9 times 2? $18. I'm going to put the 8 down here. I'm going to carry over a 1. Then I multiply times the tens place. 9 times 4. What is 9 times 4? What would that give me? 9 times 4. Bailey? 36, but I can't forget I carried over a 1. So what's 36 plus 1 more, Bailey? 37. So every morning, They package up 378 bags of popcorn. I look at my answer choices, only one of them matches, and that is answer choice B. I gotta tell you guys, I love popcorn, so this sounds like a shop I need to go to. I'm not sure if I would buy all the popcorn, but I would definitely buy at least a bag or two. Number 20. In the drawing below, which two lines appear to be perpendicular? Ooh, okay, we haven't seen this in a while. Perpendicular. Remember when we talked about lines, we talked about a few different kinds of lines. The two that we focused on were parallel and perpendicular. What are parallel lines? If I say that two lines are parallel, what does that mean? Jaylene? Parallel are the ones that never cross. So no matter how long they go, no matter how far I stretch them, never ever gonna cross. Now perpendicular lines are different. Perpendicular lines do cross, but when they cross, something has to happen. What was it that perpendicular lines have to do when they cross? Bradley? They make a right angle. So next to perpendicular, I'm going to write that. Right angle. Whenever you have lines that are perpendicular, that means that they will make, they have to make, they absolutely must make a right angle. If they don't make a right angle, they are not perpendicular. Now, you know what I notice here? They gave me a hint about where I can find a right angle. What's the hint that tells me where to find a right angle? Look carefully at these lines. Alexa, do you see the hint? There's a little square here. If I ever see them draw a little square in the corner of an angle, they're trying to give me a hint that it's a right angle. I could check it. I could use my sticky note. If I match the corner of my sticky note to the corner of my angle, that, it fits perfectly. Remember, it's like Goldilocks and the Three Bears. It fits just right. So that is a right angle. So now let's see what lines these are. I've got one line going up and down and one line going side to side. So one vertical, one horizontal. If I look at the horizontal line, the side to side line, they called it line M. If I look at the vertical line going up and down, they named it line W. So my answer should be line M and line W. Let's look at our answer choices. F, line M, that's one, and line N. That's not the other line we're looking for. G, line M, there's one, and line W. Go. H says line N and line X. Neither of those were the lines we're looking for. And J says line W and line X. Well, line W is one of them, but line X is not. So the answer that we should pick should be answer choice G.